I just wanted to quickly talk to you about the importance of getting a re-inspection. You've had your home inspection done. Yeah, you went into negotiations with the other party and you've agreed to repairs. The other party is going to take care of certain things, and the work has been done, and why you need to get a re-inspection. So we did a home inspection for a customer, which also included a sewer line inspection, and they sent us this video. And in this video, you will see this is a video of the interior of the sewer line. This is all new PVC pipe, new sewer line. You can see some sludge on on the side in the pipe, but this is a new pipe. At least this portion of it is new. Then, so as we go back, you'll notice the pipe changes. So right here, you can see that the old cast iron pipe is still here. This is where the new sewer pipe is. So the customers, by the way, we did this inspection a little over 2 years ago. Customers now having sewer line problems, and they call us asking our advice as to what to do. So I pulled up the report, and this is the inspection report right here, and you can see that the minute we entered um, this pipe was filled with water. Okay, we weren't able to get very far. We only went about 18 feet, but it's nothing but it's just filled. And so we recommended immediate repairs. Okay, major restrictions, major restriction drain system, uh, immediate repairs recommended. So, um, so the question is, why didn't the seller replace the entire pipe? I asked the customer, okay, so what did you agree to after we made our recommendation to replace this pipe? Um, and they weren't sure of the details of the repairs. What it appears is that the seller replaced that portion of the pipe which is in the front yard without going underneath the house. Okay, this portion of the pipe is underneath the house. And so the only way you can get to this, you're going to have to cut through the basement slab, which is a lot more difficult, a lot more expensive. Um, and apparently the seller didn't do that. And so now, 2.5 years later, customers having problems and not expecting this to happen. Okay, and so um, we strongly recommend if you negotiate with the seller of the home and you leave it to them to find the contractor to make the repairs, then we strongly recommend that you request a follow-up inspection, a re-inspection, so that we can come in and verify that the work was done according to the terms of the agreement. And this kind of problem does not happen to you. Okay, so hopefully that is helpful to someone. Give us a call if you have any questions, or you can reach out to us through our website. Talk to you soon.